Zynga has scaled the heights of social gaming in just 4 years, attracting hundreds of millions of users and reaching a valuation as high as $10 billion. One reason the San Francisco startup climbed to those sky-high levels so fast? Cloud computing.
When we actually started to need cloud is when we started to see this really spectacular, we call it Zynga speed growth. And that really was about Farmville.
Chief Information Officer Alan Leinwand says the game's popularity forced Zynga to find additional server space quickly.
Farmville grew so fast that timeline that it took to actually provision that hardware and get that deployed just wasn't fast enough. So we needed to be able to use the flexibility of the cloud to be able to serve that need faster.
Cloud computing gives companies like Zynga the ability to store huge amounts of data in warehouses run by other businesses, access it over the internet, and to pay only for what they use.
It's a big change for the IT industry. And for businesses themselves, yeah, because it means they no longer will have to spend quite so much time on IT.
That includes companies using cloud computing to access software applications online. Dick Eskew is the CIO of Rehab Care, which runs over 1,200 clinics nationwide.
The CEO wanted the pre-admission screening process automated, and we used a cloud-based platform as a service to develop this. We did it in 4 days, and we had it deployed on a mobile device. It transformed our company.
The market for cloud computing is projected to more than double from $68 billion in 2010 to about $150 billion in 2014. The question facing businesses now is how much of their operations to move to the cloud. Security and reliability are real concerns.
We actually end up doing a lot of our payments and processing on our own data centers and our own private cloud.
It's about how critical the application is and how critical that data is. What's the effect on your business if you lose it?
Lou Tucker runs cloud computing at Cisco. He says many companies are following Zynga's example and using some of the cloud's technology, but keeping control of the sensitive data and applications themselves.
The more forward-looking businesses now are looking to adopt the cloud computing model and build their own version of that within their own data center, the so-called private cloud.
Whether it's public or private, there's no denying that the cloud has gone from hype to reality. And that's changing how businesses manage their IT departments in the 21st century. Looking ahead, no one can forecast exactly what shape the cloud will take.
We're just at the beginning of a very big change. And so this is one of the most interesting times when we're not quite sure how it's going to evolve, but it certainly looks like there's going to be a lot of opportunities for everyone.